Hey, Machine Gun Alley here. I'm in 19 degrees in Vegas right now, and I'm getting ready to try out Pull Start Fire. Okay, so this stuff actually is supposed to be able to start a fire by pulling a string. So hang tight, we're gonna check this out in just a second. Okay, so here I go. I've attached the green string, which is what they said to do, to an under log, and I'm supposed to just now pull the red string. So here we go. Pulling, 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 pulling. Still pulling.
It's gonna have some resistance.
You might want to step on the, step on the one of the logs there.
Above the fire and kiss your bum goodbye.
Still pulling. There we go. Woo! Let's see. So there's smoke and there's flame. Let's see if it stays lit.
Oh, it's gonna stay lit, trust me.
It's like a firecracker.
Let it roll. I thought the string in that fire was you.
So pull start fire, as of right now, we've got a nice fire going, and I would give this 2 thumbs up. This was an instant and easy fire. Perfect for a 19-degree weather. Good job, guys. And if you haven't noticed, this little box right here comes with 3 of these. This is compact, easy to store. This would be great to keep in your car. Pull start fire. Awesome.